Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by, checking out this vid. Just leaving the Washman, was vacuuming out my car, and after I finish running around, taking care of what I need to take care of, I'm gonna go home and clean the inside. Been wanting to do that for some time. Shooting this video with the OnePlus 6T attached to my Fantasia windshield suction mount. 1080p 30 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. After a couple minutes here, I'm going to switch to the rear cams and shoot some video in 1080p 30 frames per second. Got optical image stabilization back there, and on the front we have electronic image stabilization. So EIS on the front, OIS on the rear. But I want you to listen to some music here as I keep talking, and then I'm going to roll the windows down. We're really going to test the audio quality of the OnePlus 6T. So at this moment, how does everything sound with all this outdoor noise coming into the car? Me talking, the music in the background. Is the audio quality, is it good? Is it really good? Is it great? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? You let me know down below in that comment section. I'm going to roll the windows up. How does that sound? The music. That's some good music right there. All right, I'm going to switch to the rear cameras. We're going to shoot some video back there. 1080p 30 frames per second. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. 1080p 30 frames per second. Shooting video from the rear of the OnePlus 6T. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. 1080p 30 frames per second. The OnePlus 6T being tested. Not just visually, but we want to know what the audio quality is like as well. How does that sound? I'm going to roll down the windows because I want to know if the audio quality is the same on the rear that it is on the front, especially when we have a lot of outdoor noise coming in from the outside into the car. I'm talking, the music's going. Does everything sound okay? Is it good? Is it really good? Is it great? In comparison to the video on the front, visually, how does everything look? It's a cloudy day. It's raining off and on. I wish it was a little bit brighter out, but that's okay. A little bit of low light situation. Not that low, but you know what I mean. It's cloudy out there. It's not bright. Just driving around here. I'm going to head over to Best Buy really quick. Check out some products. Nope, not any smartphones. I'm content with what I have right now. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate it so much. Hope you're checking out all those other YouTubers out there. I'm blessed to be involved with a lot of other YouTubers. There's a community of us, and there's a lot of them that have the OnePlus 6T right now, and they're reviewing it. So please go check out their reviews. Get their opinion on this device, whether it's the T-Mobile variant or the unlocked variant over at OnePlus. All right, I'm parked. Let me know how everything looked, how everything sounds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. The OnePlus 6T 1080p 30 frames per second front and back cameras being tested. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. Peace. I'm out.